Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Plug in the Mac and confirm your backup exists so you can restore data later. For an Intel Mac, shut down, then press Command-R at startup to enter recovery. For Apple Silicon, hold the power button until startup options appear and click Options. Make sure Wi-Fi is available in case you need internet recovery. Once done, you'll see Mac OS Utilities. This is where you'll verify disks, reinstall, or restore. Keep credentials handy to unlock encrypted drives or Apple ID. You now move through the middle steps with purpose. Open Disk Utility to run first aid and repair the startup volume so installations don't fail. If Disk Utility is clean, choose Reinstall Mac OS. This downloads the correct installer and keeps your files by default, but make sure the Mac stays plugged in. If you need to restore data, select Restore from Time Machine and follow prompts to choose a snapshot. For advanced tasks, open Terminal to run Diskutil or csrootil when necessary. These tools let you modify partitions. You finish by letting the installer complete and following the Setup Assistant to sign in, enable iCloud, and restore from your backup so settings and apps return. After setup, verify software update and re-enable File Vault if you use encryption. If the Mac won't enter recovery, try Internet Recovery. Hold Option Command-R Intel, or use Apple Configurator for Apple Silicon, and reset NVRAM or SMC as a last resort. If disks still fail, use Disk Utility to erase and reinstall, then restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.